Hi. Adaptability to me means staying open, curious, and responsive, especially in a world that doesn't stop changing. At OneKey MLS, market needs, regulations, and technology are constantly changing. So adaptability isn't just a core value for us, it's a survival skill. In my role leading the product team, I think about adaptability as the willingness to listen, to learn, and to pivot when the moment calls for it. Whether it's streamlining a listing form, adapting to a vendor shift, or rethinking a feature based on real subscriber feedback, we don't cling to process just because it's familiar. We adjust, we respond, and we evolve. My goal is always to optimize our solutions with our customers in mind. And that means staying flexible, not just in what we build, but in how we build it. Adaptability gives us the edge, not just to keep up, but to lead.